Don't press the square. If you press the square, they'll quit.
So I accidentally paused it, the video, but I'm a stupid holder. So I have my own YouTube channel, so go visit it. It's Jordy Bonnie Ramirez, and please subscribe, because as I have no subscribers, and I
Me either. Nytwone without the knee.
I know. No, come over here. Don't mess up that game, boy. Let's go. Oh shit, they're right there. They're right there, Nico. They're right there. They're right there. Run, Nytwone! Stupid idiot. Hide in the trees. Access to what? Oh shit, they see us. Okay, I have to give up.